time now for a look at your health. We worry about those fine lines and wrinkles, don't we? But what if you have those unsightly blue veins that are showing up on your face? What can you do about it? Well, there is a treatment to get rid of them, and it's one of the most popular procedures here in San Diego. And joining us with more on that is cosmetic surgeon Dr. William Groff. So first of all, thanks for being here.
Thank you.
How many people deal with this issue?
Well, if you look at the age range of 40 and over, I'd say approximately 60% of women, you can see kind of a bulging blue vein that might appear under the eye or up in the temple region.
And that's the most common area?
Yeah, that's the most common area.
And does it range in gender and race and that sort of thing? Does everybody get this eventually, or?
No, not everyone, but it's similar to leg veins in that it's predominantly seen in women. And what happens as we get older is the skin starts to thin out in the temple area and around the eye, and the vessels start to dilate or get larger, just like they do in the legs. So of course they become more noticeable. The other thing is the fat layer between the skin and the vessel, that starts to shrink as we get older. So again, the vessel becomes more prominent.
Seems so unfair that the fat shrinks on our face, but not where we need it, right?
Yeah,
well,
bad.
Let's talk about how you can treat this, because it doesn't sound like something you can just run out and buy a lotion or a cream for.
No, this is one thing that lotions and creams definitely don't work for. But the good news is we have a great treatment. We have a laser. It's called the Cool Touch Varia. And the treatment for one side usually takes only about 1 minute to 2 minutes. And in this patient here, you can see that's...
Is that quick of a result?
Yeah, that's before, and that's 10 minutes after I treated her. So you can see the results are instant.
How long does it last?
Years. In fact, I haven't seen one come back yet. Now, this is a younger girl, and in the younger patient population, you can see it's more commonly seen under the eye. Now, this is an older patient. You can see how that vessel, when it's going and treated, how much better that area looks. It just looks more youthful.
So tell me, how does it feel when you apply the laser, and what does it do exactly?
That's a good question. What happens is when I fire the laser, the first thing that happens is a cold spray comes out. Now that spray protects the top layers of skin, and then a split second later, the laser fires, passes through the skin without injuring the skin, and goes right into the vessel. Now what that does, it causes the vessel to close down and collapse upon itself. And thereby the vessel shrinks instantly, and then the body over a period of a few weeks absorbs what's left of the vessel.
Are there any side effects?
Only what you saw in those photos there. Immediately after, you get a little bit of swelling and a little bit of redness, but really this is truly a procedure where you can go right back to work.
And what's the cost?
The cost for doing both sides would be anywhere from $600 to $900. So not bad for a procedure that I think makes a dramatic difference in the appearance.
And does it diminish any other wrinkles or unsightly things we don't want?
No, we'll have to do other things for that.
Okay, I just thought I'd take a stab at it.
Yeah,
well, Dr. Groff, good to see you.
Yeah, great seeing you again.
Happy New Year.
Thank you.
And let's throw it over to Lauren. Instant results.
All right, thanks, Kathy.